In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Asana from scratch as a beginner. We'll walk through the very first setup so you can go from a blank screen to a ready-to-use project in just a few minutes, with clear tips along the way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to asana.com. On the home page, look for the button that says Get Started or Launch Asana. The wording can vary, but both take you into the same setup flow. Next, sign up using your email address, or simply log in if you already have an account. If you're creating a new account, you'll be asked to enter your name to create your Asana profile. Keep it simple and recognizable so teammates can find you easily. You may also be prompted to confirm your email, which helps secure your account. You'll then choose how you want to use Asana, whether for work or personal use. This selection helps Asana suggest the right defaults and examples, so pick the option that best matches how you plan to organize your tasks. After that, create or join a workspace when prompted. A workspace is where your projects and tasks live. If you're brand new, creating a fresh workspace is a great starting point. If your organization already uses Asana, you might see an option to join an existing one associated with your email. Each workspace functions as its own container, keeping personal items separate from company work. Once you're inside Asana, look to the left sidebar and click the Create button. From the menu that appears, select Project. You'll be offered different ways to start. Choose Blank Project so we can build it from the ground up. For the layout, select List. A list layout is straightforward and perfect for beginners because it presents tasks in a simple, top-to-bottom format. Then click Continue. Give your project a clear, descriptive name so you and your collaborators instantly understand its purpose. Think along the lines of Marketing Launch Plan or Personal Task Hub, whatever makes sense for your work. When you're ready, click Create Project. You'll land in your new project. To start capturing work, click Add Task. This is where you'll begin listing out the actions you want to track. Keep task names short and actionable so they're easy to scan later. Don't worry about perfect structure on day one. Your project can evolve as your needs change. You can always rename the project, switch views, or refine details later without losing any work. And that's your first Asana setup complete. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.